Hey guys, it's Kai coming to you with episode 1 of Trading with Trailmix, where I show you how Trailmix can enhance your trades. You can see here that currently we have 2 trades that have been stopped out. You can see that recently the huge dip caused by the Japanese yen really affected Ethereum, and you can see that we actually sold at 2,700 when the current price is 2,350. So this saves quite a bit of money. Similar thing happened with Bitcoin here, but it's rebounded since. You can also see that some of these other strategies, which are still active. So right now I'm going to start by making an Optimism strategy to redeposit our Optimism, which I claimed already off camera. Great, now we can deposit our Optimism in, so I will click the max button. Max, let's approve this. Signing in my Rainbow wallet, but you might not be able to see it. We will now deposit. Fantastic. Great, and we should have a new Optimism strategy. If we refresh the page, you can also go to a list view if you would like. And when that loads in, you can see that we have a new Optimism strategy, the price that we entered at, and eventually a price graph and sell threshold will show up. The way the strategy works is the stop loss will rise as the price increases, and then it will also sell when the asset falls. So you can see that's when the asset fell past the stop loss, we sold here. And then for stuff like synthetics, which hasn't drawn down 20%, you can see that the stop loss is slowly rising. That's all for today. See you in the next episode where we will continue this journey together.